Hey everybody, welcome back. Dr. Bacon.
Chris Goodson.
Man, supplement?
Sizzle!
Oh, all right. So we are in October. We're talking about immune burdens, things like that. What we're going to talk about today is immune boosting.
Yeah.
So like literally, we have a house, right?
Okay.
You spend a lot of money on it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Don't you think you probably should insure that house in case if something goes wrong?
Yeah.
Guess what?
Yeah.
These products are like the insurance for your body.
Nice.
They're really there to help support the body. And I'm going to start off with a great product that I really enjoyed. I think it's had sort of some bad ideas about it. Let's talk a little about the iodine.
Oh,
really?
Yeah.
Prolamine Iodine. There's been some things that have been a little bit controversial about it, but it's an amazing product, amazing things, and amazing for the immune system.
Yeah, and there's interesting research in the last several years on iodine, and really particularly your thyroid and thyroid hormone, which requires iodine and is iodine, right? In its signaling with your innate immune system.
Nice.
So it's kind of the interconnection. It's where the crossroads between your endocrine system and your immune system. And you have to have adequate iodine intake to support thyroid and thyroid hormone production, which then signals that innate immune function. And man, so
to fortify. Yeah.
Absolutely. So it's a key thing to have to support and ensure that the immune function is up to snuff, right?
Yeah. And that, like you said, that thyroid is looking for those. There's receptors all over the thyroid that are trying to use that iodine. And sometimes that can get blocked by certain other products out there, right? So fluoride and bromide and things like that that are or that are in the environment on a regular basis. So we really enjoy using this product, and we've seen some great changes. It's really helped a lot.
So. Well, and it's kind of one of those behind the scenes sort of immune support type products. It's not the first thing people think about, but there's good research coming around that's showing, hey, there's more to this, and it's kind of complicated. We don't quite understand all of it yet, but we do know that there is some signaling going on, and there's something to this.
Oh, it's coming.
Yeah.
I guarantee it's coming. You heard it here first. It's coming. Next thing we're going to talk about is sesame seed oil. And I really appreciate this one too. It's done a great job in our practice for a lot of people with immune. Go ahead.
I agree. Sesame seed oil, there's something in sesame seed oil called Sesame, right? There's a compound there, but it really is involved in encouraging like a trophoblastic response to building out of your bone marrow to build those white blood cells, right? Plasma. Platelets, okay? Right. So this is really big. If you're going to start, you got to go to the source to support white blood cell production straight from the bone marrow.
Yeah.
Right from the start. So this is a really interesting way to go about doing that and encouraging the immune response from basically the ground floor.
Right.
Really
cool.
where
it's just the ground level, so it's going to head start building and supporting it right away. So now, another product that we're going to talk about, we always go with an herb. Yeah. And another one that's really great that also kind of like, do we take it long term? Do we not take it long term? Echinacea. Tell me about a little Echinacea, brother.
Echinacea is one of these, in years past, misunderstood herb in that people thought, well, you only take it during an acute phase, you can't take it long term. Well, that's just not true. Research has borne that out. And particularly when you use Echinacea root. So you have to have the root preparation of the Echinacea to get the phytocompounds called alkylamides that are active in supporting your innate immune function in the body. Again, the innate immune function, okay? So, and people kind of tend to, focus on the adaptive immune, which is what happens when our immune system kind of goes haywire. I'm sick. Adaptive immune kicks in, but then some people's adaptive immune system they can't control it. The innate immune system has weakened to the point where the adaptive immune system is bananas out of control.
Yeah, it takes over.
So you want to support that innate immune system, and Echinacea and alkylamides particularly are what are going to do that. That's the only compound from Echinacea found in serum blood samples after being ingested, right? Yeah. So if you're taking another part of the plant, it's not going to do the same thing.
Yeah, I love this, and that's what this is why we use quite a bit of this standard process product. It's just the bioavailability of the nutrients that's in the product to get into the system, and that's what we're talking about here. So, guys, once again, talk about insurance. There it is.
Hey, man, sign me up for a policy.
That's right. So, I hope you enjoyed this one, Chris. Thanks a lot. You did a great job. Remember, we're just trying to kind of build you up. This is great information for you to kind of understand it, learn from this, share this with your friends, family. If you have questions, of course, we can help you down the road. Otherwise, we'll see you guys on the next Supplement Sizzle.